Mera Ho Chongba, a cultural festival of hill and valley solidarity being celebrated with a series of ritual ceremonies in the state capital. King Laishemba Sanajauba expresses hope that the cultural festival of Mera Ho Chongba will strengthen bonds between all communities. NDA Chief Ministers including N. Biren Singh and Deputy Chief Ministers to deliberate on national development in presence of Prime Minister in Chandigarh today. And District Administration imposes 3-day curfew in Churachandpur district following reports of potential breach of law and order. Manipur Mera Ho Chongba, which symbolizes the oneness between various ethnic communities of hill and valley, was celebrated today at Sana Konung and Kangla. It was organized by State-Level Organizing Committee on Mera Ho Chongba 2024. The festival witnessed the presence of Rajya Sabha MP Laishemba Sanajauba as chief guest, besides other dignitaries including cabinet ministers, MLAs, village leaders from various hill districts and leaders of Sana Konung. The program began with a ritual ceremony in the morning where delegates and participants carried out a procession from Sana Konung to Kangla, followed by a ritual ceremony, Men Tongba and Yengkhong Tamba at Kangla Uttra. The after session of the ceremony primarily consists of exchanging gifts between hill and valley people and presentation of cultural items of different ethnic groups. In his speech, MP Laishemba Sanajauba, who is also the titular king of Manipur, said, Mera Ho Chongba is one of the unique festivals which may be hardly found in other countries of the world. The festival itself exemplifies the unity and solidarity and sense of eternal bonding between various ethnic communities of the state. Calling on the people of Manipur to fight to restore peace in Manipur, Sanajauba wished this age-old festival bind the relation of ethnic communities as one in the days to come.
Yeah, today we are celebrating Mera Ho Chongba Ritual Festival, the only common customary festival of the indigenous people of this state. And I believe that by celebrating such ritual festival, Mera Ho Chongba, the all-aged bond of love between the hill and the valley people of the state will be strengthened. And lastly, I would like to appeal to all the indigenous people of this state to stand jointly and to fight for a brighter Manipur and a peaceful Manipur. Thank you.
The attendees from the hill regions expressed their desires to further strengthen the existing bond between the people of the hills and the valley in Manipur.
Yaifaba Numik, Mera Ho Chongba Lakpasida, Manipurda, Leminariba, Jimitami, Roi Najino Naga, Maite Mayamse, Okon Tongan, Badegi, Laraga Quegi, Onung, Ining Togi, Onung Sida, Mayam, Punba, Tinba, Haiba, Pangba Haibase, Labor Pabani, Winena Horeng program Mayam, Satagadori, Smaina Mera Ho Chongba, Lakpasidegi, Manipurda, Leminariba, Kandupunumak. Amuka nungsi chanana akwai anaubo punsi anaubo wakhalomda hatna thaina ipa ipugi matamdagi akwai hauminarakliba leiminarakliba adugumba nungsi chanana inna chikna leibado Manipurda amuk madu leirasnu haibase handaki 2024 gi Mera Ho Chongba lakpasida aina aigi site gi indigenous people forum ama waina ase ai thamjaninge loinana asigumba Mera Ho Chongba lakpasina akwai gi marakta kep khara leibu punamak se tamase santai Nabda, ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯦꯔꯥ ꯍꯧꯆꯣꯡꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ
ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯔꯥ ꯍꯧꯆꯣꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯉꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯪꯊꯕ ꯇꯞꯊꯕ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯍꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯪꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯣꯟ ꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯌꯧꯖꯔꯛꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯖꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯏꯪꯊꯕ ꯇꯞꯊꯕ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯁꯥ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯩ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ
Mahut Minister Y. Khemchan extended warm greetings to all on the auspicious occasion of Mera Hauchongba 2024 with humble prayers that the spirit of solidarity and oneness of all ethnic communities will be more brightened. Taking on his Facebook account, Minister Y. Khemchan stated that Mera Hauchongba has been fostering solidarity and oneness of all the indigenous ethnic communities since time immemorial, and a warm welcome has been extended to all indigenous ethnic communities for rituals and ceremony. He extended best compliments to the people of Manipur on Mera Hauchongba 2024. Almost all 20 chief ministers of NDA, including Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren and their deputies, will be engaging in a half-day conclave, the first of its kind after many years in Chandigarh today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be present at all through the meeting and guiding the proceedings. Apart from him, BJP President JP Nadda, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Home Minister Amit Shah, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu and Nagaland Chief Minister Nephew Rio will also lead the discussions during the conclave. The proceedings of the CM conclave will start immediately after the swearing-in ceremony of newly elected Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini. There are in all 13 Chief Ministers and 16 Deputy Chief Ministers belonging to the BJP, whereas Chief Ministers of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim, Nagaland and Meghalaya are ruled by NDA partners of the BJP. Deliberations in this meeting will cover a structured agenda covering national development issues. It will also discuss subjects like observance of Samvidhan Ka Amrut Mahotsav and the year of 50th anniversary of attempt to murder democracy. Chief Minister N. Biren expressed gratitude towards the people of Chandigarh for the warm welcome and hospitality extended upon his arrival at Chandigarh yesterday for the NDA CM conclave. Taking to his X handle, the Chief Minister said it was a heartwarming experience and he is thankful to the people of Chandigarh for the generous reception. In Churachandpur, the district administration has imposed a total curfew for 3 days starting from October 16 as a precautionary measure. The fresh order was issued yesterday by District Magistrate Dharun Kumar S. following reports from the Superintendent of Police suggesting a potential breach of law and order in the town which could threaten public peace and tranquility. The curfew enforced under Section 163 of the BNSS 2023 will remain in effect from 6 p.m. on October 16 until 8 a.m. on October 18 or until further notice. The order applies to the entire district of Churachandpur, though government agencies involved in maintaining law and order or providing essential services are exempted. Security forces recovered huge cache of arms and ammunition from Kananveng, Churachandpur district. The recovered items are 1.303 rifle with magazine, 4 12mm single barrel rifles, 1 9mm pistol with magazine, 4 improvised mortars, 57 7.62 mm ammunition, 29 mm ammunition, 6.303 rifle ammunition and 2 tear gas gun shells. The 54th Foundation Day of Mitai Thauram Tengbang Marup was celebrated today at the Community Hall of Irom Laikai. The occasion, marked as Mera Thabung, has been observed annually without fail to promote and preserve the rich traditions and values of the Mitai religion. Today at the conference hall of S. Kula Women's College, Nambol, the event organized by the Department of Manipuri saw the participation of several experts who spoke on the rich history and origin of poetry in Manipur. In a gesture of support, the Kanglai Park News Tengbang Loop KNTL has extended assistance to village volunteers actively involved in the ongoing Meitei Kuki conflict, which has intensified across various regions, with village volunteers playing a critical role in protecting their communities. In a proud moment for Tamenglong District, 6 local youth trained by the Assam Rifles have been selected for the Agniveer program in the Indian Army. To honor their achievement, Assam Rifles organized a felicitation ceremony today at Tamenglong. The successful candidates were part of a pre-recruitment training program conducted by Assam Rifles, which saw the participation of 31 aspiring youth. Out of these, 16 candidates passed the written tests and 6 were ultimately selected for Agniveer training. Representatives of the Nagaland government will soon meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma to address the ongoing border dispute with the neighboring state. It was informed by Deputy Chief Minister Y. Paton to villagers while visiting Tuli in the Makokchung district that borders Assam to take stock of the situation on the ground. Paton, who also holds the portfolio for Home and Border Affairs, was accompanied by local MLA A. Pangjung Zamir, DGP Rupin Sharma and officers of the district administration as per an official statement. The team inspected key areas of concern including the Assam Police Commando, battalion camp at Sepsuyong Lu in Kangsung village and Wameken Yimsen village. The visit aimed to assess the situation on the ground and engage with local stakeholders amid growing tensions in the border area. In a landmark ruling, the Supreme Court on Thursday upheld the constitutional validity of Section 6A of the Citizenship Act 1955, which granted citizenship to immigrants who entered Assam before January 1, 1966, and called for stricter implementation of laws against illegal immigration and judicial monitoring of the implementation of immigration and citizenship legislations. Mera Hauchongba, a cultural festival of hill and valley solidarity, being celebrated with a series of ritual ceremonies in the state. King Laishemba Sanajauba expresses hope that the cultural festival of Mera Hauchongba will strengthen bonds between all communities. NDA Chief Ministers including N. Biren Singh and their deputies to deliberate on national development in presence of Prime Minister in Chandigarh today. District Administration imposes 3-day curfew in Churachandpur district following reports of potential breach of law and order.